Hey guys, Samsung recently released a teaser on its official Twitter account showcasing the Galaxy Z Flip 5 with no gap when closed. This teaser has created quite a buzz among Samsung fans as it highlights the innovative design and engineering of the device. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is Samsung's latest addition to its foldable smartphone lineup. It features a unique hinge system that allows the phone to fold in half, making it more compact and portable. One of the major concerns with the foldable phone is the presence of a visible gap when the device is closed. However, Samsung seems to have addressed the issue with the Galaxy Z Flip 5. By eliminating the hinge gap, Samsung has achieved a seamless and uninterrupted design when the phone is fully folded. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the device but also ensures a more impressive user experience. Users can now enjoy a large display without any distraction or interruption caused by a visible gap. Samsung's commitment to improving foldable phone technology is evident in the Galaxy Z Flip 5. The company has invested significant resources in research and development to overcome the challenges associated with foldable displays and hinges. The result is a device that not only offers cutting-edge technology but also delivers on the promise of a truly seamless foldable experience. With the Galaxy Z Flip 5, Samsung continues to push the boundaries of smartphone innovation. The absence of a gap when the device is closed showcases the Samsung's dedication to deliver a premium and futuristic user experience. The folder-shaped cover display is for multitasking, gaming, or simply browsing the internet. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 provides a seamless and impressive experience like no other. In conclusion, the official Samsung teaser highlighting the Galaxy Z Flip 5 closed with no gap has generated excitement among tech enthusiasts. By the way, the good news is Samsung has to open its pre-reserve offers for the new foldables Watch 6 and Tab S9. You can get $50 for free just by reserving either of the devices, and when you make a purchase from July 26 onwards, you will get an instant $50 credit. Only few days left, hurry, the link to the offer is in the description. So what do you think about this Galaxy Z Flip 5? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.